Picture this. You're walking down a neon-lit street late at night. A patrol turns the corner, but it's not a human officer. It's a machine. Faster, stronger, untiring, and programmed to enforce the law with absolute precision. Welcome to the age of the RoboCop. Robots in policing aren't just Hollywood imagination anymore. Around the world, cities are experimenting with robotic law enforcement. Drones scanning crowds, autonomous ground units patrolling malls, and AI-powered cameras tracking potential threats in real time. Dubai already has robotic police officers greeting tourists. In the US, New York deployed the K5 security robot. And in South Korea, autonomous robots patrol shopping districts. These machines are just the beginning of what could become the norm. Why robots? Because they offer advantages no human can match. They don't get tired. They don't feel fear. They process vast amounts of data instantly. Imagine a city where facial recognition instantly identifies criminals, where predictive algorithms stop crimes before they happen, and where robots put themselves in danger instead of human officers. The potential for safety is enormous. But there's a darker side. RoboCops could mean constant surveillance, profiling, and zero room for human empathy. Unlike human officers, a machine won't hesitate. It will follow its programming without question. What happens when the algorithm is biased? When the system glitches? Or when the state uses robotic enforcers to silence dissent? A perfect police machine could also be the perfect tool of control. Let's look at real-world examples. In Dubai, their humanoid robot officer provides directions, processes fines, and reports crimes. In New York, the K5 robot patrols subway stations, scanning for threats. In China, AI surveillance networks already cover entire cities, combining facial recognition with predictive policing. These aren't prototypes. They're active systems shaping the future of public safety right now. The rise of RoboCops sparks huge ethical debates. Who is accountable when a robot makes a lethal mistake? The programmer, the manufacturer, or the state? Can a robot truly understand human judgment, mercy, or context? Should machines even have the power to detain or harm a citizen? Some argue robots could free humanity from dangerous policing roles. Others fear they could strip away freedoms in the name of order. The future of justice may depend less on technology and more on who controls it. So here's the question. Are RoboCops humanity's next step toward safety, or a step into a surveillance state we can't escape? Is a machine enforcer the end of crime, or the end of freedom? What do you think? Should robots replace police officers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of policing, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps us keep exploring the edge of tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into cyberpunk reality, AI revolutions, and the strange future that's already unfolding.